I'm going to show you how to share your entire Google Drive with another Gmail account. The clean way is to move everything into one folder and share that folder once, instead of adding the person to every single file. Open drive.google.com and sign in, and you'll land on My Drive. Click New in the top left and choose Folder. Type Master Drive and click Create. The empty folder appears in My Drive and everything else is going inside it. Now the selection step. This is where it gets messy, because the new folder is sitting right there with the files. Click the empty space below your files and press Ctrl and A or Command and A on a Mac. That selects everything in My Drive, including Master Drive itself. Hold Ctrl and click Master Drive to remove it from the selection. You'll see the blue highlight disappear from that one folder. Now only the files and folders you want to move are highlighted. Right-click any highlighted item, click Move To, and choose Master Drive in the list. Hit Move. If you have a lot of large files, you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right while Drive moves everything. When it finishes, My Drive root shows just the Master Drive folder. Double-click Master Drive and scan the list to confirm everything actually made it inside. If anything stayed behind, go back to My Drive and repeat the selection and move. Now right-click the Master Drive folder and choose Share. The sharing panel opens. Type the recipient's Gmail address into the box at the top. If Google suggests a contact, click the correct one so the address fills in cleanly. Next, click the drop-down to the right of the address. It usually sits on Editor by default. For a full handoff, leave it on Editor so they can add, edit, move, and delete inside the folder. If you only want them to read and download, choose Viewer. Commenter exists, but I'd skip it unless you specifically want them to leave comments and nothing else. That permission level is the difference between a full handoff and a read-only share, so set it on purpose. Click Send. The panel refreshes and the person's name appears in the access list below. They get an email with a link to the folder. When they click it, your files are sitting in there shared with me. Now that the folder is shared, the next thing most people ask is how to make this permanent. Right-click Master Drive again and choose Share. This time, click the drop-down next to the person's name and choose Transfer Ownership. Confirm the prompt. Once they accept, the storage for this folder moves to their account. Anything you add to Master Drive later inherits the same sharing because the permission is on the folder, not on individual files. Watch. Click New inside the folder, choose Google Docs, name it Test, and it lands already shared with no separate share prompt. Right-click it and choose Remove to keep the folder clean. If you ever need to cut them off, open Share again, click the drop-down next to their name and choose Remove Access. The panel refreshes and their name disappears from the list. If this saved you from sharing 100 files one by one, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same answer.